how to fix Instagram chat draw option not showing. So if you want to fix your doodle tool missing in your Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've done, you need to open up your Play Store at first and go with search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram, and if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply go back and then restart your device. After restarting, you can tap on open and open up your Instagram application. After opening, you need to go with your messages, which will be on the bottom, and go and select a chat. Now here, you need to go with the plus option, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on draw. Now here, you need to just simply go and select a marker and draw something. Go with send, which will be in the bottom, and that's it. That's how you can fix your Instagram chat draw option not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.